Welcome. Today I will show you how to unpair a FITBIT Charge 2, but it works for basically any Fitbit device that you have paired throughout the same application. And so to do it, we'll need to open up the app itself. So I'm gonna do that. And mine is right here. From here, well, I'm already in there, so let me actually back out. You will see this screen. So from here, we'll just click on this little icon right here, which is the profile. And from here, you'll see Charge 2, which is the band that it's connected to, or any other one that you have connected. The name will be basically of the device that you have. And as you can see, once you click on it, you have the little trash icon. So just click on it. You can tap unpair, and it's now gone, and meaning the device is unpaired. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.